Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend over here, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change your Gmail name. So what you have to do is, of course, to navigate to your Gmail account, and once you have done that, then you should be able to change your name without any problems. So what you have to do is to click this one, your icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and click manage your Google account. So you will be redirected to another web page, and you will see this page, and over here you will see a sidebar which has some options that you can choose. But since our agenda is to change your name, what you have to do is to click personal info, and then you will see over here, I'm just gonna scroll a little bit. So over here you can see the name, so you just have to click this one and edit. Click the edit button, the one that resembles a pen. So once you have done that, then you will be redirected to this part wherein you can change your first name and your last name. So in this case, I want to change my name to this one. So once you click save, then that should do the magic. So I won't be clicking save because I don't want to change my name as of now. So yes, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.